It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Lesser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you at least 3 powerful websites that you can use to upload your AI images or upload whatever type of images and get a prompt without any stress. An image to prompt like this without any stress. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you love content about AI, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So each time I post valuable content about AI topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see the 3 powerful websites that you can use to upload your AI images or whatever images of your choice and get a prompt like this, from image to prompt like this, using the 3 powerful websites. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use this powerful website to get prompt from any image, whether AI generated image or existing image. Okay, so I'm going to show you some website that you can use to get those free prompts. So right here you can see from the address bar right here, this is the URL of this website, and I'm going to put the URL link in the description of this video. So just click on the description and you'll be landed into this particular page. So on getting to this page, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on upload. Click to upload. Then you have to locate where you have your image. So I'm going to use this image right here. I'll click on open. Then after click on open, then I'll come down below right here. You see generate right here. So I'll click on generate. Then you will be asked to log in to the website before you can use the service. So for you to log in, you can click your email option, or I'm going to click on log in with Google or sign up with Google. So I'm going to click on Google. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on continue with signing with Google right here. Then I will choose my email account. Then I'll click on confirm. You have successfully logged in. Then click on OK. Got it. So after logging successful, you will be taken to the home page like this. Navigate to the top right here. Make sure you click on generation. Then from generation, you have to navigate to image to prompt right here. Click on image to prompt. Then you'll be taken back to this particular page. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on upload. Then select your image. Click on open. Then you're going to use 1 credit to generate the prompt. Next thing you want to do is click on generate. Then you have your result right here. One guest solo any pool, jewelry, phone, cell phone, things like that. So you can click and hold down. Make sure you copy the prompt right here. So having copied the prompt, then you can make use of the prompt to check it out in another site, or you can also use this same particular site, is this particular website right here. So this website here also can allow you to generate free prompts from any image. So you can see the website URL. Then the third one right here is another great website that allow you to generate prompts from any image. So the site name is www.imagetoprompt.com. So when you log into the site, it's going to take you to this particular page. You can see the example below right here. Okay, so what you need to do is to come to the upload a photo right here. Click on upload a photo. Then this time around, I'm going to try with another image. Then I'll click on open. So you have the image. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on generate prompt. Alright, so take a look at the prompt right here. A young boy riding on the back of a fake news, stuff like that. So you can also highlight all the prompt, right click on it and copy the prompt, and then you can use this particular prompt on any AI text to image to generate something similar or something more unique than this. So these are the 3 powerful websites I have for you on how you can get prompt from any image, whether existing AI image or personal image. You can upload it on this particular website and you are going to see a prompt in a few minutes. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.